Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Unspoken Words.
Pause a second. First of all, I just want to apologize for not posting in a long time, but we're working on it. This year is definitely going to be better. I have had this video on standby for a long time and I just haven't really gotten around to fully editing it. I'm waiting on new equipment, kind of help me with to be more disciplined in my videos that I post on this hair channel. So yeah, bear with me. I do have a plan. I have not forgotten about this channel. I'm just kind of waiting on the things to arrive and it's taken longer than expected. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight onto this hairstyle.
So today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial, and it was something that definitely I stumbled upon when I was doing my usual moisturizing routine, and I was like, oh my days, one day I have to try this style and do like a proper hairstyle or hair tutorial. So that day has finally come and we are going to get straight onto it. So if you'd like to know how to do this particular hairstyle, then let's get straight onto the video. What I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to try and go down the middle part, down the middle. I'm going to do it with my hands first, just to get a rough idea of what I'm doing. And then I'm going to use some people have a rat tail comb. I have a rat tail comb, but it's broken and I don't know where I put it. So I've been using this for a long time. It's just more efficient and I don't need it anymore, so. Okay, so if it's not straight, bear with me because I cannot see what I'm doing. So what I want to do was I had like a small section at the back, probably like that much, should be fine, right? And then what I want to do is just kind of bring everything to the front and then start twisting in. So we're kind of closer. So basically just doing that. So after I've done like a twist like that, okay, and I'm just thinking the best place. I want it to be like here. So I'm gonna get my clip and just stick it somewhere here. Okay, so that that part just kind of falls like that. And then basically just do the same on this side. Get a small section. Roughly about the same. Then start twisting it inwards. Okay, so once I've done that, take my other clip and try and clip it in. And I do want there to be a defining part here, so it's more like a puff. So once I've done that, I'm going to add water to this part and better have it so that that can coil up a little bit better. So for this front part, I want a section. So I'll probably take a small section like this one that I can just kind of twirl like that, and I'll probably end up using a bobby pin. And then if I just, I don't know if you guys can see that, just gonna hold it to create that puff illusion. I'm just kind of drawing from around the edges, so around the edges here. And then I'm going to take this to pin it down with. Got to take a couple to make sure it stays. I hope that makes sense. So then it leaves like a kind of like a puff here. And then I'll do the same here as well. Then just kind of like twirl this. Like so. I'm gonna end up pinning it down so I can actually see it, but I'm just gonna fluff this out a little bit. And I'll come back to kind of show you. What I might do is I might also pin this part as well so it looks more like a puff. I've just kind of like pinched these and twisted some of them, and then just again making sure the hair goes in between the bobby pins so that I can then fluff it out. This is what it looks like. I feel like because my hair still got quite a bit of product in it, so it's shrunk. If it was, say, stretched, for example, and then the ends curled, I feel like it'll be bigger, and it would definitely be big. So I did a little I pinned it down with 2 crisscross bobby pins for both sides, and I'm not going to do much with this, so I'm just going to leave it as is. I might actually add some water just to make it a bit smaller, have it like a smaller coil. Yeah, so that's what it looks like, guys. There's the middle, just kind of cover that up. So that is everything, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and try it out and let me know how it works. But yes, that is everything. Thank you guys for listening, and I'll see you guys in my next video.